Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to learn how to read and explore an Excel file using Pandas. Okay, so let me go ahead and import Pandas, and I'm actually going to use IPython. So let me open that. So I'm just going to copy and paste this code. So this is how you import Pandas and giving it a alias PD. And then this is how you read or use the read Excel method to read an Excel file. So in this case, st1devices.xlsx. That's the file name of the Excel file. And we can see that here. This is the contents. So we got hostname, device ID, device type, system ID, and reachability. Okay, so let me go ahead and copy and paste this line of code here. So what's this doing is, like I said, read the file or Excel file and store the result of this expression into a variable called df. So I called it df because it's a data frame, right? It's a table. And now if I do df, I can see all the columns and rows and the index on the left side. Okay, and of course, if we want to view the first rows, we can do df head, calling the head method, and we can also check the columns, all the columns, by using that command. And of course, we can check the structure using the .info method. So we can see that it's a data frame object, right? And it's got 7 entries. So 7 entries. So that would be this, the rows, right? And 0 to 6, that's the index. And total 5 columns. And we see the columns here, non-null count, data type. So it's all object or texts or strings, okay? And this is how we check the data type of the columns. So all the columns are object or text. And of course, we can see we can view the shape of the data frame or rows and columns. So we got 7 rows and 5 columns. And we can also check if there is missing values by using this method here, SNA. So all the rows are false, so meaning there's no missing values. Okay, and we can also count the unique values in a column. So what we are doing here is count the unique values in the device type column. So we see that there's 4 vEdge, 1 vBond, vManage, 1 vSmart, 1. And if we do df, we can see that here. So 4 vEdge, 1 vBond, 1 vManage, and 1 vSmart. Okay. And we can also select specific columns if you want. So this is how you select the columns. So just note the syntax. So list of the columns inside a square bracket. Okay. And now if I do df, I should see these columns. So it was, let me check here. What's missing? Hostname, device type, system ID, system IP, reachability. So we don't see the device ID because we didn't select that here. Okay. So that's how you select specific columns. So again, yeah, we don't see the device ID. And we can also, again, check the first 5 rows. Yeah. And yeah, we see the first 5 rows. Okay, so that's how you can read and explore an Excel file using Pandas. Okay, so hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.